Welcome, tech enthusiasts! Today, we've got an exclusive sneak peek into the highly anticipated Xiaomi 14 Ultra's rear camera module layout. The leaks are in, and we can't wait to dive into the details with you. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech updates and leaks. Trust us, you won't want to miss what we have for you. With the new HyperOS interface, the Xiaomi 14 and 14 Pro were introduced in China in October 2023. Several rumors now suggest that the Xiaomi 14 Ultra may soon be added to the lineup. Most recently, important information about the Xiaomi 14 Ultra's camera surfaced online thanks to an alleged cover glass. It might have brighter lenses, but the same camera module design as its predecessor. According to rumors, the phone will be released by the Chinese tech giant in March 2024. According to GSM Arena, a leaked image, the cover glass bears the Leica logo. Like the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, the camera cutouts are positioned there, but the lens holes are a little larger, suggesting that brighter lenses may be on the horizon. The report states that the f1.6 aperture on the primary camera may replace the f1.9 aperture on the predecessor. In addition, it is anticipated that the periscope telephoto camera will have a f2.5 lens, as opposed to the f3.0 aperture on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. A tipster previously stated that the Sony LYT900 sensor, which has a variable aperture range of f1.63 to f2.5, may be used in the primary camera of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and a spherical lens known as the Vario Summilux 1.63 and 2.5 was also recommended. Additionally, a 120mm periscope telephoto camera was mentioned in the leak. Xiaomi 14 Ultra hands-on images leaked. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra's cameras are being tested in the hands-on photos. It appears to be a prototype model because it is large and has a protective shell around it. The leaked photos also appear to show the Xiaomi 14 Ultra equipped with a periscope telephoto lens. The Xiaomi 14 Pro and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra are seen testing out various camera samples side by side. Because of the protective case, we are unable to discuss the Xiaomi 14 Ultra's design in great detail, but it does appear larger than the Pro model. A different report suggested that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset might be included in the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. It could have a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of 120Hz and 2K resolution. There are rumors that it will have a 5,180 mAh battery that can support both 50-watt wireless charging and 90-watt wired charging. Additionally, the phone may get a slightly curved display. Photography enthusiasts can look forward to a stellar camera setup on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. The device features a quad camera array, including a 50-megapixel main sensor with substantial 1-inch sensor size and 1.6M pixel size. The camera configuration consists of three 50-megapixel lenses. The leaked information suggests that the Xiaomi 14 Ultra will feature an improved full-screen brightnesses setting, enhancing the manual control over the display brightness. This improvement is likely to contribute to an even more immersive visual experience for users. And there you have it, the exclusive look at the Xiaomi 14 Ultra's rear camera module layout. If you found this video informative and exciting, show some love by giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive leaks, reviews, and all things tech. Hit that notification bell so you're always the first to know. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and stay tech savvy.